Welcome. Have you ever been to a physics lab and used a multimeter? In this simulation, today we'll learn how to use a multimeter. Before learning to use the multimeter, let us see what a multimeter is. A multimeter is an electrical instrument designed to measure electric current, voltage, and usually resistance, typically over several ranges of value. Now that you are aware about what a multimeter does, let's get started. It is always advised to use protective equipment inside a laboratory. Please wear the gloves before starting the process. Great. Do you see the multimeter on the table? Touch it to continue. The multimeter. Great. Okay, now your first step would be to grab the black cable lead and plug it into the jack labeled COM or common in the multimeter. Now let us measure DC voltage. To measure DC voltage, grab the red cable. Now snap the red cable lead into the highlighted jack. Good. Now touch the dial to set it to measure the DC voltage. Great. Now grab the multimeter and place. Snap the multimeter on the highlighted area of the table in front of you. Now grab the black terminal of the black cable with your left hand. Grab the red terminal of the red cable with your right hand. Very good. You are paying attention. Now touch the black terminal to the negative point in the battery and the red terminal to the positive point in the battery. Superb. Do you see the reading on the screen indicating the DC voltage? Note down your reading. Let us now learn how to measure current using a multimeter. To measure current, touch the dial on the multimeter to set it to the current or amp setting. Now, grab the red lead and snap it to the highlighted amp, a jack. Good going. Now grab the red terminal with your right hand and touch the highlighted part of the wire. You are almost there. Now grab the black terminal with your left hand and touch the highlighted part of the wire. Superb. Do you see the reading on the screen indicating the current in amperes? Note down your reading. Good. You were quick and observant during the simulation. This concludes our simulation on learning how to use a multimeter experience. Feel free to go through it again or jump back to the homepage and try a different experience.